Hello, today we're talking about Jumpspeak ads. I first became aware of Jumpspeak in early 2020 and I was really impressed by the first promo video they made to launch their app. I'll show you it in a minute. But since then, I've noticed that their ads are getting increasingly absurd and desperate with more and more wild claims. I'm going to show you some of their recent ads in this video and explain why they don't give me confidence to use the app. These are all my opinions, but they are based on more than 15 years of experience developing and marketing language learning apps and experience teaching English as a foreign language. I currently run the app Spoken, which is designed for English and Spanish learners who want speaking practice. So I spend a lot of time thinking about how to market Spoken. Jumpspeak's first promo video back in 2022 was great because it mentioned two key things about the language learning apps of the time. Apps train you in the language, but they don't prepare you for speaking, so you freeze when you try to speak. And they made the point that in the more traditional apps, you're just learning with your fingers by pressing buttons, and they don't really include speaking activities. Now, I do feel some sympathy for Jumpspeak because they were one of the first to start using a chatbot method for language learning, even before generative AI existed. But since 2023, so many other apps have been developed that use this conversational chatbot method. Now, personally, I don't think that this is the best method of learning for a beginner. A chatbot is much more useful for someone with an intermediate level who wants to practice conversation. I have a whole other video where I explore that more, which I'll link in the description. But now, back to Jumpspeak's more recent ads. I'm going to show you examples of 9 of their recent ads and critique them from the point of view of a qualified language teacher. In a number of Jumpspeak ads, I've seen them pushing this idea that tried and tested language learning activities don't work. Like this one, where they imply that memorizing words and using flashcards and quizzes are a waste of time and things you shouldn't do. I agree that you shouldn't do only these things, but they are important tools that can make up part of an overall language learning strategy. Here's another ad where a pretend AI-generated expert, we'll talk more about those in a minute, says, "I can tell you what doesn't work. Avoid apps with flashcards and quizzes." Well, flashcards and quizzes do work for many people. I've used Spanish flashcards as part of my Spanish learning, and they have been extremely useful. Of course, it wasn't the only thing I used, but they were an important part. Here, we have another fake AI podcast where someone is claiming grammar doesn't work. I'm not sure what that even means. Grammar does work. I'm using grammar right now to communicate my thoughts to you. And learning grammar also works. Unfortunately, as adults, we do have to learn some grammar if we want to be able to construct sentences in a foreign language, rather than just memorizing set phrases. You won't get much beyond a very low beginner level without learning some grammar rules. Adults cannot just absorb grammar in the same way as children can, and there are reasons for that. This video explains very well why not. Next, Jumpspeak seem to be pushing the idea that with their app, you can become fluent in a language very quickly, in a ridiculously short space of time. This ad claims 6 months. This one claims 135 hours. That's about 5 months doing an hour a day. This one claims 2.5 months, and this one has reduced it down to 3 weeks. I know you guys are not stupid. We all know it takes much longer than 6 months to become fluent in a language, even if you were living in the country and speaking it every day. Maybe Jumpspeak thinks you are stupid? I don't know. And next, we need to talk in more detail about fake AI-generated experts who look like they're being interviewed on a podcast. As I'm sure you'll know, there are apps where you can generate these videos and make people say whatever script you want them to say. It's powerful stuff because if you choose an AI-generated person who looks a bit older, not so glamorous, our brains immediately think this person must be an expert. We know that only beautiful people are usually allowed on screen unless they're knowledgeable and trustworthy and expert. So these less traditionally beautiful people must be knowledgeable, right?
You'll be speaking confidently in 3 weeks.
The really laughable thing is that in one Jumpspeak ad, this guy was playing the role of the interviewer.
What changed? I found this app.
And then in the next ad, they had him playing the role of the expert.
Pick up a new language as fast as kids.
They can if they tap into pattern detection.
And finally, in one of their ads, I spotted the biggest sin that any language learning app can commit in an ad. They made a mistake with English punctuation. There should be an apostrophe on polyglots. So, taking all of this into account, it gives me the feeling that Jumpspeak is made by people who don't care too much about correct language or about the theory of language learning. I so far haven't really tried the Jumpspeak app in any depth. I have reviewed several other language learning apps on this channel, but not Jumpspeak yet. I might test their claim that you can talk like a native in 2.5 months or be bilingual in 3 weeks. And if I'm not able to achieve that, I'll also test their claim that they give a money-back guarantee. Let me know if you'd like to see me do that test. And if you'd like to try Spoken, the app that I run, to help you improve your English or Spanish, I've put a link in the description. It won't make you talk like a native in 3 weeks, but it will make you a little bit better in 3 weeks. So as you can imagine, after watching and engaging with all these Jumpspeak ads in so much detail, I now cannot open Instagram without being bombarded by these mind-numbingly stupid ads. If I needed a good reason to delete Instagram, this is it. That's how to cure your Instagram addiction, my friends. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you found this interesting and amusing. Do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye for now.